This recipe yields a beautiful presentation and juicy turkey breast with delicious flavor. Start by placing sprigs of herbs at the bottom of your pan, along with slices of citrus fruit, and whole garlic cloves. You can peel them if you like, but I'm going to roast mine unpeeled. Then chop the remaining herbs. Rub the turkey with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Gently loosen and lift the skin, filling with citrus and herbs. Tent the turkey with foil and allow it to sit for 20 minutes. Roasted garlic is rich, sweet, and delicious, and slides right out of the peeling. Cast iron offers easy cleanup. Simply wipe clean. Happy holidays from our family to yours, and thanks for watching.